could do that. Okay, we lift it up real high, and then we gently put it down like that.
Hi guys, today we have a John Deere Fun on the Farm playset. This has a lot of pieces. Let's go ahead and take some out. Okay, our first character is one of our farmers. Okay, he has a pretty nice tractor. Can you see that tractor? Let's move this box out of our way so that we can get a better look at him. Okay, the tractor, when it goes, watch, it moves the man up and down and makes noise. You can see that inside the engine works. See, it even moves like a tractor. And it has a little barrel that dumps whatever we've picked up out. And we have a man, a farmer. He loves to farm. I do. Farming is a lot of fun. You can grow so many things that help so many people. Let's put him back in his tractor for now. Let's bring this other one out. Okay, this is a harvester. You can tell there's a spinning harvester that fills up the hay that's on top. Can you see that? And it also has one of these. Do you know what that's for? That's for spitting out the extra hay stuff that we don't need to sort the hay to make it work better. And if you notice, when we're going, they've made it where the harvester moves the hay. And all of them can fit our farmer. Let's put our farmer into this one. There, he fits right inside. Hey guys, see? There's lots of fun tools on a farm. Okay, let's put this one back now. And you see how nicely that rolls? That is really cool. See, he has his headlights and he has his John Deere symbol. And he can hook on to someone else. Let's see if we can put this trailer onto this truck. We can. So the trailers can go to different vehicles. Okay, let's put him here. And here we have a hay baler, I think. See, I can pick up the hay and I can put it back inside. And again, as we go, our man moves. Let's see what happens when we put him inside. Let's put our farmer right inside of there. See, it makes him go up and down. Okay. And this has a nice little trailer. And this moves up and down. We have a bale of hay. You can see right there. We go into our baler. We have a trailer right here. We have some fences. See our fences? Let's get our family out of here. Okay, we have a chicken, always great for a farm. We have a basket of tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. We have a cow with a nice cowbell. Moo! We have a goat. He also has a sweater. I guess he's cold. We have a horse. Neigh, neigh. And we have another farmer. Yes, you need lots of help on a farm. Let's put him in the truck. There we go. Okay, we're gonna build a fence to keep our animals safe. See, it came with a fence. Let's go ahead and hook it.
We hook this together, and then we hook this together, and we have a nice little fence. If you need a bigger area, which I think we do, we're just going to hook a couple like this. So then we can fence them in way back here in the back so that no one gets in the way when we're farming. Let's see, that looks pretty good. Put him back there, him back there. They're oh so curious, aren't they? We're gonna get right in here. Careful, the ride can be a little bit bumpy. Whoa! Let's see what's over here. Woohoo! Whoa! Whoa! What fun! Oops, I just knocked over the thing. Okay, we're gonna pull this right up here so we're ready. And then we're gonna get the baler to come out and help me load. Let's get the tomatoes first. Okay. Why don't you pull up a little bit so everyone can see us. First, we're going to lay that down and slide it up. And we're gonna tilt it so that it doesn't fall. Lift it up. And then, oh, where do you want this, sir? Oh, I want this one in the back of my truck. Okay, we could do that. Okay, we lift it up real high, and then we gently put it down like that. There we go. Why don't you give me a load of hay to carry back too? Sure, sounds great. Okay, we got it back to the farm. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out and I'm going to bring my hay right down. That's great for the animals to eat. Okay, let me take the tomatoes too. Those are ready to take straight to the garden, straight to the market. Okay, I'm going to get into my tractor now. We have a little bit more work to do. Okay, I'm ready. Yes, sir, here I come. Ooh, I'm moving fast this time. Well, that sure was a good day's work, don't you think? Oh, yes. I'm so glad I have a good helper like you. Yeah, it sure is fun to farm. Well, that's all for now, everybody. See you next time.